Get him! We are in Pruitt, Arkansas on the Buffalo River. This is the kids out. Grandma was out. She was a shell diver for a while. As Jen, Paul, Jude, there's the bluff all the way around. This is one of the local swimming holes. The kids have been out here all day long.
We live in just out of Little Rock.
Oh, do ya?
Want to say a word?
Welcome to Arkansas.
The camera's running.
Now we love it up this way.
Yeah, my aunt and uncle
We're having a
cousins
little
just
bit of
moved to
fun
Little
here,
Rock.
relaxation.
Yeah, our daughter and them live up in Fayetteville.
You're a little hotter down there, though.
It's a lot hotter.
My cousins just moved down there to Little Rock about a year
It's a
ago
lot.
or
It's
so.
pretty warm the other day.
And the water war rages.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, Bobby's getting a noodle involved. Okay, we shall cease. And we're out of here. Oh, by the way, what is the date today? The 20th?
Yeah, I think so.
Today the 20th?
I think so. It's either 20 or 22.
It's either the 19th, 20th, or the 21st. 19th?
No.
No, 20th. Well, it's one of those 3 days, so kids are having a great time. Adios.